Next up, we have problem number 4. Below is a table of past records giving probability data for a driver having an accident and whether or not there was rain. It's important to note that this is probability data. This isn't inches of rain. This is the probability that somebody fell into one of these categories. So this is a probability matrix. We have the rain, no rain categories, and the accident, no accident categories. For example, you can see that with 2.5% probability, or 0.025, there was an accident in the rain. Similarly, there's no accident and no rain about 62.5% of the time. So when you're dealing with the probabilities, we can use the values as given to solve A, B, and C. So part A says, what's the probability of rain? We can go ahead and take a look at our rain column and see we have the probability of an accident occurring, and add to that the probability of no accident occurring. And that equals our answer, 0.36. That's it. What is the probability of accident and rain? So we need two conditions to be met. We look at accident and rain, and it's given to us right here. Probability of accident and rain occurring is 0.025. Done. Part C, what is the probability of an accident given it is raining? So that's a conditional probability question. The probability of an accident given that it's raining. So the denominator changes here. It's not going to be out of 100, or 1 for 100%. It's going to be determined by the condition. The condition is it's raining. So our probability denominator is going to be 0.25 plus 0.335, the probability that it's raining. Now, we only look in the rain column because that's the condition. So the probability of an accident in the rain is 0.025. Once we simplify that, it reduces to 0.0694. Reflect on this number for just a second. In the rain, the probability of an accident happening is 0.025 out of all possible scenarios. Whether there's rain, no rain, accidents, no accidents. An accident in the rain occurs 2.5% of the time. However, if you already know that it's raining, you walk outside, you get in the car, it's raining outside, that probability of an accident actually increases to 6.94%. Okay, so this can be a bit misleading when you look at it and you say, oh, accidents only occur 2.5% of the time. That's true, but if you already know it's raining, that probability has more than doubled for the chance of an accident occurring. So when you look at these numbers, it's important to reflect on what this value represents, right? People who drive in the rain should know that the probability of an accident is higher. All right, but the calculations themselves are fairly straightforward. When you're given the probability, we don't have to do ratios, except in the case of conditional probabilities. And that's all.